These are supposedly puncture-proof gloves, so let's see. Microbats bite.
Wow.
Here's a night trial. Oh, hello. I think it might be a Gouldie. Gould's wattled bat.
What's it called?
A Gould's wattled bat. So yeah, and then you just do the focusing. Hello. And you've got a little band. Seriously, you've been caught before. Okay.
Yep.
See, yeah. So just a few little holes. And a little band on the wing. Well, I've never seen one that was banded like this, not a microbat, which is interesting. And we have a girl who's probably pregnant at this time of year, and will give birth in spring. Hello, sweetheart. Hello, Mrs. Cranky Pants. So, just some subcut fluids, just as first aid, and then I'm going to drop her off to a carer. And that's a tiny little needle. It looks bigger than it is. And they usually weigh around 13 grams, so she can have 10%, which is a mil-ish. Okay, little love. And that's very shouty, she is. Yeah. Look at the teeth.
God.
I know.
Wow.
So, she's one of our insect eaters. All right. I'm just going to look at it. I think it's a Gould's wattled bat, but I mean, I'm just.
Is that part of the microbat?
Yeah,
family?
because she could, because of the little wattles on the side of her thing. But I'm just going to look at her feet. And if we look at her feet, if she's a myotis, which is a fishing bat, and since you're right on the water, that would be the other diagnosis. The other species option. Well, she does have big feet. See? She's got quite big feet. So I'm never sure. It could be I think she's too big for a bent wing. And she does have the little tags around the side of her mouth. So, cute little creature, aren't you? I have to give her a name. Are you going to go in there for me?
Not keen.
Yeah, we'll be able to see the band and see what's happening on the band as well. Find out a story of her. There we are. And then because they're little escape artists, we put a hairband on. Because they escape. There we are. There we are. And we pop her in here. Too easy. Looks Gouldie. But I'm always entertained by the
12.33 grams.
12.33.
Some pictures. Okay, to start with, our friend is ringed.
Yes, oh I know, I forgot to tell you that.
We've got scarring. Hop down here. Yeah. So we've got some holes.
Yeah, those where I thought might be peck holes.
Yeah, okay. Okay. Hello. Okay, hang on. Let me get you some drugs.